Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Mooring ropes can withstand 2000 tons, that's 20 elephants on it. Each day, the human mind spends over 70% of its time overthinking and worrying. The most consumed type of meat by country, including fish and seafood. A cyanometer, an instrument for measuring the intensity of blue in the sky. Modern ships use heated chains to cut through ice 200 degrees Celsius. A young soldier and his mother right before he left for World War I in 1917. Generally, people are more likely to assume you are being rude when you are being honest. The US has 1.4 billion pounds of cheese stored below ground in the caves of Missouri. Mutant squids can grow to 80 feet to 25 meters, making them the biggest animals on earth possibly. Dubai airport is just 10 miles from Burj Khalifa. Planes have to fly by clothes. Most chewing gum is made of synthetic rubber. You can submit ideas for new emojis. Marshalling language is universal and it takes 3 to 6 months to learn it. Scientists have created fluorescent tadpoles that glow when they sense pollution. When hydraulics leak, the 10,000 psi pressure could cut through human bones. Geese flying in V formation have a 71% greater flying range than each bird flying on its own. Osprey carry parallel to their bodies to improve aerodynamics and in-flight handling. Until 1964, there was a paint made from ancient Egyptian mummies. Therapy animals are becoming widely accepted as a legitimate health measure. Found in modern-day Syria, the 24 tablets are of Sumerian Akkadian word list. The list contains names of plants, animals, stars, and vehicles of the time. After Dimka had her frost-bitten feet replaced with titanium paws, she became just the second bionic cat in history. In order to make the movie more authentic, Training Day was filmed in some of the most dangerous neighborhoods in Los Angeles. Most of the gang members in the movie are gang members in real life. 4,800 years old, a woman skeleton with an artificial eye. Toilet paper roll art by Junior Fritz. Black jaguars still have characteristic rosettes. Ambleside Bridge House, 17th century. This tiny house was built on a bridge to avoid land tax. If Vikings found rivers were blocked, they carried their ships over the land instead. Here is a mask of the elite Roman cavalry used during parades. It was found in the Netherlands and dates from the 1st century CE. The doctors in ancient Egypt made great strides in the field of medicine. This artificial big toe found on the foot of a mummy is believed to be the earliest working artificial toe. It allowed the patient to maintain balance while walking. This photo from 120 years ago shows a young girl who appears to look exactly the same as Greta Thunberg. Conspiracy theories say she is a time traveler from the future and is here to save the planet. A Scottish sailor named Alexander was stranded on a deserted island in 1704 but survived for over 4 years, in part because feral cats protected him from the ravenous rats that attacked during the night. Bisons thriving in the frigid winter of Yellowstone. The Viking homelands were surrounded by seas and had deep, narrow inland waters. This meant the Vikings had to learn to be sailors and shipbuilders. Their warriors and traders sailed long distances to discover new lands. Elephants and their shadows from above. Kikuyu tribe used to believe that when a child was born, the deceased grandparent's spirit, whom the child was always named after, would enter the new child. This belief has diminished lately due to the increase in lifespan, since nowadays grandparents are still alive when the children are born. An off duty nurse saved a boy's life with CPR after he was hit by a baseball bat during a Little League game. 7 years later, the boy saved her by using the Heimlich maneuver when she choked in a restaurant. Kiribati, an island country, has welcomed the New Year 2025. The 33 atolls that make up Kiribati, pronounced Kiribati, occupy nearly 4,000 kilometers in the equatorial Pacific from east to west and more than 2,000 kilometers from north to south. Kiribati will be followed by New Zealand to welcome New Year around 4:30 p.m. IST. Do you really need to switch off your phone in a flying plane? Switching off your phone or putting it in airplane mode during a flight is recommended, but it's not strictly about the plane's ability to fly safely. The bottom line. Disruption to cellular networks. Thanks for watching.